A cloudy day ahead and a very wet one as well. The outlook is unsettled, but turning cooler. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Wednesday,
Definitely slowly lowering and lowering. It's definitely going to come into our atmosphere. The first thing that will happen is most of it will break up.
Yes.
And then the tiny bits that are left will slowly burn up in our atmosphere. But it is likely that fragments will land on Earth, but it's most likely it will land in ocean because most of the Earth's surface is ocean. And they're saying that the odds of being hit by a piece of it is 1 in 100 billion.
OK.
but
And we don't know yet where it's going to re-enter. It could be anywhere on Earth, so everybody enjoy what could be your last day. But today is looking wet, a very wet day, powered by a very strong jet stream. In fact, it is a record-breaking jet stream. It is 265 miles an hour, driving across the Atlantic. Planes coming from America to the UK have been arriving about half an hour, 45 minutes earlier than normal because of how powerful the jet stream has been. And it means it's powering deep weather systems. So an area of low pressure brings heavy rain today, and then the outlook is for showers by the end of the week, and then it turns cooler. We haven't seen cooler weather or temperatures around average for a while now, so I think feeling much cooler and fresher by the weekend. But for today, it is yet again cloudy, mild and wet. So we start off with overcast grey skies, outbreaks of rain. That rain will be heavy. It moves eastwards as we head through the day, so a brightening process. Sunny skies and scattered showers by this afternoon. Temperatures again 10 to 13, maybe 14 degrees above average, but turning cooler by the end of the week. Good morning to you. If you're wondering why it's been so wet and unsettled lately, it is down to the jet stream. It's the jet stream that drives weather systems across our shore from America to the UK, and it has been very powerful. It's been the second most powerful jet stream we've recorded this century, 265 miles an hour, which means that weather fronts have been moving in quick succession, and also planes arriving around about half an hour to 45 minutes quicker than they normally would do because of the tailwind. Today it brings with it a band of heavy rain, then another weather front tomorrow. But then by the end of the week, it slips a little further southwards, and that allows colder air to filter in. So temperatures, having been so mild lately, fall back to average. So it will feel a fair bit cooler. Here's how it looks for today. Wet and windy to start, and then it brightens up. So first thing, this is a very wet scene greeting us this morning. It is cloudy. There is rain for most places. If it is not raining where you are this morning, it will do within the next hour or two. Rain heaviest through western hills of England, Wales and Scotland. As we head through the day, the rain pushes east, so skies brighten from the west. So you'll need to leave the house with an umbrella, but then later on today you'll need those sunglasses because sunshine returns for Scotland, Northern Ireland, England and Wales for the west. It takes a lot longer for that rain to clear the far southeast. And again, it is mild, 10 to 13 degrees our temperatures. So let's take a look at how things work out as we... Good morning to you. It is a wet day for many of us, especially this morning. A band of wet and windy weather moves through, but it will brighten up later. Here's how it looks at the moment. The radar shows rain across the whole of the UK, and the rain is heaviest in the west. It's also fairly windy. These gusty winds will help to move that band of rain through pretty swiftly, so it dries up in the west. Northern Ireland dry this morning, Scotland early afternoon, Wales in the southwest of England by mid-afternoon, but southern and southeastern England stays wet all day. But it does stay mild as well, 11 to 13 degrees our top temperature. This evening and overnight tonight, the rain starts to clear away, but another band of rain moves in from the west, and it heralds another wet and windy day ahead tomorrow.